Well, we've had the emergency budget in June and we await what the comprehensive spending review in October will tell us. But already we are seeing in Scotland local authorities, health service organisations, the police service are bringing forward packages of cuts which will hit us in terms of jobs, but perhaps more importantly are going to have a devastating effect on many of the communities across Scotland. So today we are meeting not just Unison and the other trade unions, we are meeting with representatives from community organisations, voluntary sector groups to discuss how we're going to deal with this in the coming months.
Today's really an important day. Over 300 people from all over Scotland coming here to oppose what's happening. 2,000 job losses announced only yesterday in North Lanarkshire, the tip of the iceberg. Highland councils, again, cutting jobs all over Scotland. We've seen public services being pulled back, less money being spent on pupils' education, less money on our health service. And it's the people of Scotland who will suffer. And today, more than anything, we're getting over our message that it's not about just saving jobs. It's not about our members' pensions, pay. It's also the public services of Scotland. It's the health service. It's the welfare state. It's how we care for our elderly. And hopefully from today, we'll build a massive alliance.
Well, I work in social work and we are currently going through discussions with our management about how they're going to make 8% savings this year, with the prospect of the same kind of level of savings next year and the year after. So we're now looking at, having reviewed all the management structures several times over, we're now looking at what services are going to be cut. And obviously that has impacts on me and my colleagues in terms of our jobs, but my mother, for example, has a home care package. And one of the things which the council are going to be doing is reviewing all home care packages, and they've set a very clear target to their staff. We need to cut care packages, so it's not just review, it's cut care packages. So, you know, I'm concerned for my mother and other people in the community who are vulnerable.
I'm here today because I'm concerned about my local services, but I'm also concerned about the effect that any cuts will have on my members who work in the community and voluntary sector.
I'm here today, so I think it's really important that regions in Unison come together to see what other people are doing, but also so that we've got a very cohesive and joined up strategy in responding to the coalition government's agenda, which is about attacking public services.
I work in Glasgow City Council and I'm seeing the beginning of a 3-year plan of cuts. They plan to reduce the workforce by over 800 people, and I'm currently in negotiations across all the sectors. We've got fewer librarians, fewer technicians, fewer clerical support to staff, and these are all the team of people who help deliver education. It's fortunate just now that early years is being protected, and I'm glad to see that, because that's a particular sector I work, although I'm not precious about protecting just my own job. But I do believe that these services are vital to our young people, and I'm really concerned about how this is going to pan out in the future.
Today is a great meeting, people from all over Scotland, all with that single purpose of coming together, strengthening the movement, and together we will win. Thank you.